As a designer, you work with objects and you try to add certain values or to sort of make people attached to objects. And we were interested in see how other professions that work with objects, how they do it and how they look upon it and what they're trying to communicate. Yeah. And one of these categories were magicians. We were so fascinated with that. And we sort of started to work around that and discuss that because we work all four together in all our projects.
You decide together what to do, or do you have each one does a sketch or has an idea and then you discuss?
We work together. I mean, it's how we work is actually that we discuss different topics and then we sort of make products around that theme that we started to discuss. So we work together in all our projects. So it's not like I've designed that and another person has done another object. It's all together. So we're sort of building on top of each other's ideas. Yeah. So it's really fun. So so these magic objects we done especially for this event at Arte Basel Design Miami.
Yeah. And when did you start with your team?
Oh, we started working together. We graduated 2004.
So pretty young then?
Yeah.
So did you study together or how did you?
Yeah, we studied together. We were actually in the same class. We studied at the Arts Crafts, University College of Arts, Crafts and Design, Kunstwelt in Swedish.
Okay. Then you met and then you decided, okay, you get along very well.
Yeah, we met there and then we became friends and then we started working together.
Yeah.
So that's how it sort of developed very naturally to start working together after we graduated.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so then we...
Should I show you maybe the drawer? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very nice effect.
We sort of work with that moment when you look upon an object and then all of a sudden you understand that it doesn't really work the way you think.
Okay.
A sort of reaction.
Yeah.
So this is a shelf that looks empty, and that like the handle is flying, but when you open it, you can actually put things in it. And then when you close it again, it disappears. And look,
really cool. Can you tell us a little bit about the design process? How did you get to this product? Or when did you have the idea and how did you develop it?
I mean, we've been discussing different products. So this is a project that we're going to continue working with. But it's been a really fun project because you really have to sort of try things. It's like almost like a secret society magicians have. So you really have to sort of interview people and try to solve it yourself and read literature and just do different sort of things to sort of understand and just try and see what works. You sort of see a trick and then you just have to try to do your own prototypes and see what works and not. So it's been really fun. So for example, we've done this lamp as well with that we call levitating. So it's the lampshade is floating, and when you look underneath, you also see there's no light source in the lampshade.
Certainly looks nice on the camera or in the video because people wonder how does this work.
But we like to work with objects that you recognize, but that something is changed or that is maybe used in a different way. So you sort of look upon it differently than you usually do, but it's something that you recognize. So something like for us, I think is something very interesting is if you start to look around you upon the objects that you already have at home and sort of look upon them in a different way. That's something that we really like. If we can achieve that, then we're very satisfied. I think that's great.
And this object, what's that? This, it does sound.
Yeah, this is actually, we've been using things that already exist. So these are actually commercial signs, but we build it together into a cupboard. So it's something you recognize. You've seen it before, but you maybe don't really know where. We built it into a cupboard. So it changes. So it's different, very different patterns in the same.
Yeah, I didn't recognize that.
Sorry?
I didn't recognize.
No? It's really something that we really like. I mean, we've been studying industrial science, so something that we're very interested in is new technologies, new materials, and sort of exploring and experimenting.
I forgot to ask your name.
My name is Anna Lindgren.
Okay.
In front.
Okay, then thank you very much, Anna. It was very interesting.
Thank you.
And I forgot to mention you are designer of the future.
Yes, yeah, we got awarded designer of the future,
Yeah.
so it's a great honor. And that's also one of the reasons why we exhibit here. So it's great.
Thank you very much, Anna.
Thank you.